Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here with lunch again today. Just finished a rocking workout. In fact, CG is celebrating 15 years of providing amazing fitness with amazing trainers in an amazing community. Guys, if you want to work out with us for 15 days for free, just go to trainingwithpaul.com. Would love to help you out training online or outside. And we also have recorded workouts, including yoga, which is pretty amazing. We just added that new. But guys, lunch today, talk about simple. All you have to do is brown some meat. Everything else, you just chop it up and put it in a bowl. This is what I call a Bison turkey bowl right here. And I love Bison. I saw in the store that they had ground venison. I almost grabbed that, but it was 20 bucks. So it was a little pricey, but even ground Bison is probably floating around the 10 bucks for a pound. But it is amazing flavor, very lean, much leaner than ground beef. So I cooked that up in the pan with some white onion and some taco seasoning that we make here in house. It's real simple. You just mix in the chili powder, cumin, a lot of these different spices. Throw that in there. Meanwhile, as that was cooking, I was making a plate. I got spinach on the bottom, some chopped cherry tomatoes, black beans, corn. I chopped some jalapenos in there. I've got avocado in here with some corn stuck to it, and then a wedge of lime, I should say. I heat this all up together. My wife thinks that's weird, but I heat it up all together. I actually separated the meat in a small bowl so that my wife can heat up the meat separately and then put it on top of all these cold veggies. As a guy, I guess I'm just impatient. I just heat it all up. And then I'll squeeze the lemon on top. I'll even add some Greek yogurt to it. Adds a little bit more protein. I just love Greek yogurt. And of course, hot sauce, guys. This is coming out in the app this week, but this is super easy, guys. And once you're done, runaway corn. Once you see our app on Thursday, guys, let us know what you think and have a great day. All right, take care. Bye-bye.